Good evening, students. Welcome to Shruti Academy. So let us start with the question number 4 of exercise 12.2 of chapter 12, Heron's formula for class 9 CBSE NCERT. So the question number 4 says a triangle and a parallelogram have the same base and the same area. So they are having the same base as well the same area. Okay. If the sides of the triangle are 26 centimeter, 28 centimeter and 30 centimeter and the parallelogram stands on the base 28 centimeter, find the height of the parallelogram. So we need to find out the height of the parallelogram. Okay. So here a parallelogram is being given to us and a triangle is being given to us, and they are standing on the same base having the length 28 centimeters. So let us first draw the figure and then find out the height of the parallelogram, okay, with the help of Heron's formula. So let us draw the figure first of all. So let us say this is a parallelogram, okay, this is 28 centimeter the base and the triangle is standing on this base itself. So let us say this is a triangle. Let us take this side to be 26 centimeter and this to be 30 centimeter. Okay. So this is a triangle. It should be actually straight. Like this. Okay. So this is a triangle having its third side to be 30 centimeter. Okay. So this is a triangle. So we will be finding out the area of the triangle with the help of Heron's formula, because here the triangle which is given to us is scalene. So it can be easily applicable, the Heron's formula. Okay. So let us find out the area of the triangle. Let us mark it. We can mark it. Let us mark this A, B, C, D and this to be E. So area of triangle ABC. Area of triangle ABC. So area of triangle ABC will be given by S under root S minus A, S minus B, S minus C, where A is equals to, let us take to be 28 centimeters, B to be equal to 26 centimeters and C to be equal to 30 centimeters. So we will be finding out the area of the triangle with the help of Heron's formula, and later on we will be equating both the areas. Area of parallelogram is equals to area of triangle, because it is already given in the question. Okay. So here we will be getting over here. Let us first find out the semi-perimeter, which is S. S will be equal to A plus B plus C upon 2. So it will be equal to 28 plus 26 plus 30 upon 2. So we will be getting over here 84 by 2. So we will be getting over here 42 centimeter as our semi-perimeter. Okay. So now semi-perimeter we are having all the three sides A, B, C. We will be substituting all these values in the formula for the area of the triangle using Heron's formula. You can write over here using Heron's formula. Okay. So the area of triangle ABC according to Heron's formula will be equal to under root 42 minus 28, which is A, side A, then 42 minus 26, okay, and the third side is 30, 42 minus 30, okay. So let us calculate it. So it will be under root 42 into 42 minus 28 will give us, here we will be getting 4, 12 and 14, it will give us 14. Then 42 minus 26 we will be getting as 16, okay. Then 42 minus 30 we will be getting as 12, okay. So let us make the factors in order to find out the square root, okay. So 42 can be easily written as 7 into 6. Then 14 can be written as 7 into 2. 16 is itself 4 into 4. And from here we will be getting 6 into 2. Okay. So now 1 pair of 7 I have got over here, which can come out. Okay. Then 6 can also come out. Then 2 can also come out, and 4 can come out. This 2 can come out, and this 1 pair of 4 can come out. Okay, so here we are getting now 7 6 are 42 into 8, which will be 8 2 is 16, 1 carry, 3 3 6, 8 4 are 32 and 1 is for the carry, so it will be 33. So 336 centimeter square. So this is the area of the triangle ABC. Now we can easily equate. So area of triangle will be equal to the area of parallelogram according to the question. We can only equate otherwise if they are on the same base and within the same parallels. But here we are not sure that they are within the same parallels or not. We are only the thing which is given to us in the question is they are on the same base, that is BC. Okay. But in the question itself, it is being given that they are having the same area. So we can easily equate it, no doubt. Okay. So area of parallelogram BCDE will be equal to area of triangle ABC. Okay. Now area of parallelogram is given by base into height. Okay. Like area of triangle is given, right angle triangle is given by half base into height. Similarly, area of parallelogram is given by base into height. So base into height will be equal to area of triangle ABC, which we have found it out to be 336 in centimeter square. Okay. So base is 28, height we need to find it out. Okay, so 28 into height is equal to 336. Therefore, height will be equal to 336 upon 28. Okay, so it will get cancelled by 4. 4 7s are 28, 4 8s are 32 and 4 4s are 16. Okay, then 7 1s are 7 and 7 2s are 14. So it will be 12 centimeters. So that is our answer. Because we need to find out the height of the parallelogram, so height of the parallelogram is, so we can easily write over here, therefore height of the parallelogram BCDE will be equal to 12 centimeter as answer. So this is our answer. Okay. So we applied the concept of Heron's formula and we equated both the areas because it was already given in the question. So in this manner we need to solve such type of questions. Okay. So thank you. So please subscribe my channel. Please share my videos. And if you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you.